So today is the day, you guys. The day you guys all been waiting for. I don't know if you guys remember this. Last time I had this, whenever I bring out the jugs, it's a good day. Just brings excitement to the room. Jugs means business. Whenever the racing jugs come out, it's either something getting to get thrown on the car or you're going somewhere. But today, something's getting thrown on the car. So let me just do all of this and then I'll talk to you guys back in a minute. Give me 1 second. Got back to E85 station. The current E80, well, the previous E85 station that I was at, they ran out of E85, or she argued with me for like 5 minutes and saying that I was using the diesel fuel and it was a green thing that's really diesel, but usually, you know, E85 is yellow. So I didn't go back and forth with her. I just said whatever and I left. But we back here, my favorite E85 spot. All the fast guys really know about this. Ohio Mill Shell Station, got good E85. So we're filling up the car. Then we're heading out back to the house to take the radios off and putting the regular wheels on because the cam is getting installed today. And then I do not want to have the radios on because I heard it shoots lower dyno numbers whenever you have the cam. I mean, not the cam, but whenever you have the radios on there. So I'm gonna do that. Knock that out the way. Give a huge shout out to whoever's making the gas prices because it took $31 to fill up the Vette and to fill up a 5-gallon tank. So shout out to whoever's doing that. You know, I know it's $1.06 per gallon, but shout out to them. Shout out to the government for doing their thing on that because your tango is happy. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's in the car. On the road right now. Lark was behind me. His friend Lark was going to come and pick me up, but he's driving the SUV, so I'm doing 80 and he was doing like 50. Sorry, Lark, but I can't do that though on the highway. Anyways, but I'll be there at 6:15. It's 5:22. Not that much of a longer drive to go. I'm a happy camper. On the road, I'm so excited just to even. I'm ready to drop the fucking car off already and have it done. It's long overdue, bro. Long overdue. I wasn't able to get it, but that dealership right there, that Nissan, is the dealership that I bought the first G from, Nissan of Noonan. So for all you guys, all the people that was, you know, here from day one, when I had my 370Z, that's where I got it from. First time buyer, bought it straight off the lot. Didn't know how to drive a fucking lick of manual. Drove home, like, what was it, like pretty much like 45 minutes or 50 minutes without traffic, but you know, Atlanta at the time ain't had traffic, so an hour and 30 minutes without knowing how to drive stick. And yeah, so, you know, your boy was, time to learn. You know, I was a happy kid, very excited. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get off the road. I'm gonna stop talking y'all ears off. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. This shit is going on in the background. But look at the background and see what else is right there. We also got that right there. Some happy campers. Let's go. We're finally here. Bought himself an Audi R8. It's cool. It's nice. I'm just waiting on Lark to get here because I'll have no way home. Alright.
Is that now?
I feel you. So I actually am able to record in the side, but I'm back in the Bentley truck. Oh, let's go get something to eat. MA let me use the rental car, aka the boat, aka the orange Challenger. So this is my little daily for to get around. Shout out to him. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and head to the house and get it. It's an SRT8 shit. back to the house. Get this shit over with. It's time to go to sleep, y'all. Bye. I think get a pick at the, the daily, but it's the old Challenger, SRT 8. It's a good little car. It actually rides smooth as hell. I like it. It's pretty good. But I'm gonna actually take you guys to Mexico tonight, so it won't be a goodbye. We actually gonna, you know, handle it accordingly. Then go from there. Then you guys gonna see the cam. Yeah. I think I brought him along with me when I brought the boat. Where Tim at? Yeah. Shit.
What, 85, 86, bro?
This is so beautiful. Jesus. Stupid dad. Stupid dad. Why you didn't invite me to fucking Warzone? Back up, bro. I told you about this. Swag invited, said you was gonna invite me.
Tell me about what? I'm walking. Standing in front of me.
Bitch. Bye, sis. Bitch, look at me when you say bye.